back to my channel. I'm Pragya, back again with a new vlog in Brussels. Today the temperature is 13 degrees and it's drizzling a bit, and we are going through the unexplored places that are still left for us. Arrived at the Atomium, and this place looks very different than the actual city center. It's more clean and less crowded. It's giving the Netherlands vibe and not the Belgium vibe. The time right now is 1:10 p.m. and change of plans. We are going to mini Europe first, and then we will come to Atomium because Mini World is getting closed at 5:30 p.m. and we were really chilling so much today. We woke up really late. We were so tired. We took the ticket from Get Your Guide with no discount, so basically the app is useless at times.
Where you from?
India.
Namaste. Enjoy my turtle piece for one picture.
We were given with this Mini Europe guidebook. So from here the Denmark zone starts, and this complete thing is the Viking camp of Denmark. Vikings were very famous for their sea voyages. Vilnius University, a very famous university situated in Lithuania. There are a lot of miniature parks all over Europe, so you can choose any one of the city and you can go, and we chose Brussels. All the structures have been built so beautifully and in a very cute pattern. Every minute details are over there. In a lot of cities you will find that the miniature world is in a closed museum, but this is a complete open area. You can enjoy the weather and roam around the place. What can be better than this? Mini Europe is right beside Atomium, and this was opened on 1989 and mainly operational from March to October. This park has roughly 80 cities and 350 monuments built here. So basically you can enjoy the whole of Europe in just 1 or 2 hours. So this is Eurotunnel. A very good thing about Mini Europe is that if you haven't visited any city or country, you can get an idea in which all places you should be going or which all places should be on your list. All the mini replicas here are painted once in 4 to 6 years, so everything is very much well maintained. The average cost of building one monument is 75,000 euros. The replica of Grand Place Brussels itself costed 4 lakh euros. Towards the evening, you can find light on all the monuments and it looks more beautiful. And every year, the light and sound effects are changed to make it more beautiful. inaugurated on the park. Actually, it's in making. Entering that time they clicked pictures, and now when we are going out of the park they were displaying our photos. Each photo costs €8, so we don't need it. In Brussels, at least 30 to 40% of the population are Muslims. We have seen a lot of Muslims here, and also here the culture is a bit mixed. We have seen Africans, we have seen Arabs, we have seen Indians from all around the world. Like, they have welcomed everyone. The northern part of Belgium, like which is closer to Netherlands, they speak Dutch, and Brussels come under the southern part of Belgium, which is closer to France, so they speak French. Brussels does not look so safe. It's almost like Paris, so tourists need to be a bit attentive. At night, like when we were walking on the streets, we did not feel that okay, it's a very safe city and there won't be any kind of robbery or something like that. Brussels is a very important city, and it is considered as the capital of European Union and also has the headquarters of NATO. Atomium is a very famous structure in Brussels, and it was built in 1958. The name Atomium comes from the conjunction of two words, that is atom and aluminium. Previously, this structure was made up of aluminium. The spheres were made up of aluminium, and in 2006 these were replaced by stainless steel. It is a 102 meters tall structure with 9 spheres interconnected with each other. These spheres are made up of stainless steel with diameters of 18 meters each. The steel pipes that connect these spheres has stairs and escalators, which allows the visitors to move inside the 6 spheres, because only 6 spheres are accessible and the top 3 spheres are not accessible. Inside the spheres there's a museum, which you already know we are allergic to, so we will not go inside. But if you want to go inside the museum, you will have to pay €16. Also, there's a restaurant inside. Just opposite to Atomium, there is this park. If you want, you can go here also. If you go up, you will get a panoramic view of Brussels. So that's completely up to you. We have already tried on Belgian waffle yesterday, so there's no harm trying it again in front of Atomium. We got this only for €6. Heading back to the center, so we are taking the metro from Hazel, and we will be going to Roger here, so it's a long journey. We'll be going and resting now, so let's end today's video here. To some travelers, we'll be seeing you soon in the next video. Bye bye.